Hey Leo, how are you preparing for placement?
I am doing okay. I guess I have been practicing my aptitude test and I am also brushing up on my technical skills.
That's good. I am still a bit nervous about the whole thing.
Don't be, just do your best and everything will be fine.
Thanks Leo, I needed that.
So, what companies are you interested in?
I am not sure yet. I am still exploring my options.
I am interested in working in the IT industry. I think that's where the future is.
That's a good choice. The IT industry is growing really fast.
Yeah, and there are a lot of opportunities there.
I am also thinking of applying for some government jobs.
That's also a good option. Government jobs are stable and offer good benefits.
Yeah, but the competition is also very high.
That's true, but if you are prepared, you should be fine.
I hope so.
I am sure you will be. Just believe in yourself.
Thanks Leo. I appreciate your support.
Anytime, friend.
How is the weather these days?
It's quite hot. It's 32 degrees Celsius today.
Will it rain tomorrow?
No, the sky will be clear tomorrow.
Okay.
But there is a possibility of rain next week.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, it will be a relief from the heat.
Really?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so I will go for a walk next week.
That's great.
Thank you.
See you later.
Yes, see you later. Yes, I am on the road.
Wow, how long will it take?
I don't know. The traffic is very heavy.
Drive carefully.
Yes, I will.
Where are you going?
I am going to meet my friend.
Okay, let me know if you are late.
Yes, I will.
Okay, bye.
Bye. A few minutes later. I am sorry, I am late.
That's okay. I just got here too.
Let's talk. Hey Kabir, have you heard about the latest news?
Yeah, I heard the landslide in Himachal Pradesh. It's so bad.
I know it's terrible. So many people have died.
And the rains are still continuing. I hope there aren't any more landslides.
Me too. But it is not just the landslides. There is also been a lot of flooding in the other parts of the country.
Yeah, I saw that. It's so bad.
And the worst part is, it is only going to get worse. Climate change is making this natural disaster more common and more severe.
That's true. It's really scary.
I know, but we can't just sit back and do nothing. We need to take action to fight climate change.
I agree. We need to start making changes now before it's too late.
So, what can we do?
Well, we can start by reducing our carbon footprint. We can drive less, use less electricity, and recycle more.
Yeah, and we can also support businesses that are committed to sustainability.
That's good idea. We can also get involved in political campaigns that are working to address climate change.
Yeah, that's important too. We need to make sure that our leaders are taking this issue seriously.
I think we can make a difference. We just need to work together.
I agree. Let's do this. I want to learn English.
That's great. English is a very useful language.
What can I do? to learn English?
You can do many things to learn English. You can take an English course, hire an English tutor, or learn English on your own.
What can I do to learn English on my own?
You can read English books and magazines, watch English movies and TV shows, and listen to English songs. You can also practice speaking and writing in English.
I think it's very difficult to speak and write in English.
It can be difficult at first, but if you practice, you can do it easily.
Okay, I will try.
That's great. I wish you all the best.
If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in English, so you can follow this channel. We will upload that type of video every single day. Please support me. Please subscribe and press on the bell icon. Like, comment, and share.